Hi! Good day. In this video, I will be performing the procedure checklist focusing on hemodialysis AV access, particularly the fistula.
Do the hand hygiene. Scrub until it is dry. Then afterwards, wear the surgical gown. Next, grab and put on the face mask. Then wear the stethoscope. Make sure to assemble all the needed materials or equipments. Do the hand hygiene again. After doing so, put on the clean gloves. Open all the gathered supplies. Then prepare the tape. Place it on the underpads aseptically and make a 6 inches long tape folding each side. Remove the gloves and discard. Do the hand hygiene again. Get another clean gloves and wear it. Look at the site for any sign of infection, wound, edema, Still's syndrome, stenosis, and aneurysm. Assess feel for pain, skin temperature, the thrill, and the growth of vessel. Using a stethoscope, auscultate for the bruit and also for the direction of blood flow. If there's any problem or abnormality on IPA assessment, do not proceed to cannulation and report immediately. The patient must wash the access arm before placing the needles. Scrub the skin over cannulation sites with antiseptic agents by making a circular outward motion and friction. Allow antiseptic to dry before cannulating. Do not touch sites again after skin antisepsis without repeating skin antisepsis. For chlorhexidine, scrub for 15 seconds and dry for 30 seconds. For alcohol swab, scrub for 60 seconds until quick dry. For povidone iodine swab, scrub and wait for 2 to 3 minutes until dry. Remove the soiled gloves and then discard. Get another set of clean gloves. If the access is an AV fistula, apply a tourniquet above the fistula to distend the veins and facilitate the puncture. Remember to avoid occluding the fistula. For new AVF, use 17 gauge needle. In cannulation, I have used the C technique. Insert the arterial needle first with red clump into the fistula away from the arterial venous anastomotic site. With the bevel facing up, Slide the cannula through the skin and into the vein until the first flashback is seen. This indicates that the needle tip has penetrated the vein. Lower the angle at 25 degrees and advance the tip at the cannula and still look for flashback. The distance between the two needles is 7.5 cm or 3 inches away. Then proceed to cleaning the cannulation sites with alcohol swabs before covering with a gauze. Cover each needle with a 4x4 gauze. Then secure the wingtips of the needles with adhesive tapes above the gauze. First layer with straight method, second layer chevron method, and third layer in between the two layers. Prime the needles, open the clamp, loosen the cup, and prime the tube all the way to the edge to check for patency of the fistula. Flush the needles with saline syringe. Place the syringe, open the clamp, pull back the syringe first, make the air go up, then flush with no air to introduce. Remove the tourniquet, observe the black flow of the blood. Then secure each line with adhesive tape. After that, remove the gloves and then discard. Then perform hand hygiene. Then clear the area and then proceed with documentation.